Welcome to Auto Trend, your go-to source for the latest automotive insights. In today's episode, we're steering our focus towards the highly anticipated 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Buckle up as we dive into its features, performance, and what makes it a standout in the SUV market. If you enjoy this video, let the YouTube algorithm know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting, and subscribing to our channel so you stay up to date with all the latest automotive news. Another perk of commenting is that we are doing a cash giveaway to a random commenter when we reach 500 subscribers. We all thought the Land Cruiser was a thing of the past, mainly because Toyota told us so, but now it's officially back. This time, the off-road legend has been scaled down to a mid-sized SUV, ready to compete with other popular off-roaders like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler. This move was also done by Toyota to clear the path for the Toyota Sequoia to dominate the full-size SUV market. Now let's talk pricing. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at $57,345 and can reach up to $76,345 depending on the trim and options. The last time the Land Cruiser was available in the US, it had a steep starting price of $87,000. But now, Toyota has made it a more attractive value offering thanks to its smaller frame and 5-seat cabin. If you're deciding which trim to go for, the mid-range Land Cruiser seems to be the best choice. It includes features like ventilated front seats, a 10-speaker stereo system, a large 12.3-inch infotainment display, and wider all-terrain tires. It's a great balance of features and value. Engine, transmission, and performance. In this modernized generation, Toyota has replaced the naturally aspirated V8 with a turbocharged hybrid powertrain. It features a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors, producing a combined 326 horsepower. If this setup sounds familiar, it's because it's similar to what you'll find in the Toyota Tacoma. While a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine isn't typically a great fit for a big SUV like the Land Cruiser, it does work here. The hybrid system's electric motor complements the engine by providing immediate torque right from a stop, making the entire powertrain feel responsive, even low down in the rev range. It's also much more refined while largely improving fuel economy. Every Land Cruiser comes equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a robust 4-wheel drive system. This system includes a locking center differential, low-range gearing, crawl control, and hill descent control. And for those curious about speed, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.6 seconds. Fuel economy. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser boasts impressive EPA ratings. It returns 22 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. These numbers are a significant improvement over the previous generation's V8 model, making the new Land Cruiser more efficient and economical for your adventures. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser shifts gears from its predecessor, offering a more streamlined experience as a 2-row 5-seat SUV. This downsized body puts it in direct competition with mid-size rivals like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler, rather than full-size SUVs such as the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition. Even the base 1958 trim comes with comfortable features like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 6-speaker stereo. Meanwhile, the mid-range trim and the limited production First Edition take things up a notch, with more deluxe cabins. These trims include ventilated seats, 10-speaker stereos, and available leather upholstery, ensuring a more premium driving experience. Overall, for an off-road-oriented SUV, the Land Cruiser offers a pretty comfortable experience. There's some truck-like elements to its ride, but for the most part it remains well composed on rough roads. The cabin is also well insulated from wind and tire noise. The front and second-row seats are supportive, with the front seats offering a nice thigh extension and plenty of adjustment. Infotainment and connectivity. When it comes to infotainment, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser doesn't disappoint. Every model comes equipped with Toyota's excellent system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. However, it's worth noting that the base 1958 trim starts with a modest 8-inch display, while all other trims upgrade to a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features include USB-C charging ports and a wireless smartphone charging pad. For those looking for even more tech, options like onboard Wi-Fi and the available 14-speaker JBL stereo system are available, though they come at an additional cost. Cargo space. The 37.5 cubic feet of cargo room behind the back seat is roomy enough for daily errands and the like, but it loses some points because of the high cargo floor. Open the tailgate and you'll have to get cargo about 4 inches higher to get it into the actual cargo area, which is elevated because of the placement of the hybrid powertrain's battery. This is not ideal at all for when you have heavy baggage that needs transporting. Additionally, with the seats folded, you unfortunately don't get a flat cargo area either. This is definitely a downside to the otherwise fantastic 2024 Land Cruiser. Now let's discuss towing abilities. Capable of towing up to 6,000 pounds, the Land Cruiser is about average for SUVs of this size. While the 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain might start to feel strained towing up a grade at higher speeds, the Land Cruiser should be able to pull a considerable variety of items without issue. Driving experience. The Land Cruiser's biggest driving experience problems come with braking, where there is too much nosedive and it doesn't track straight under panic stops. It must also be said that the steering is a bit heavy and doesn't provide much feel for city roads. The Land Cruiser's handling around turns is not particularly nimble, though in regular day-to-day driving it's a step above the hardcore off-roaders like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler in refinement. Overall off-road capability is pretty good, although slightly more ground clearance and a more aggressive set of all-terrain tires would be nice additions for owners who actually plan on hitting up off-road trails. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety is paramount in the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, which comes packed with a comprehensive array of standard driver assistance features. Included in the Toyota Safety Sense System version 3.0 are many essentials. These include lane departure warning, automatic high-beam headlamps, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking. These features definitely ensure peace of mind on every journey. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Toyota's warranty offerings are pretty much in line with other SUVs in this mid-sized SUV class. Here's how the warranty breaks down. The limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. The powertrain warranty lasts 5 years or 60,000 miles. Additionally, though, Toyota offers a complimentary scheduled maintenance which lasts for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Competitors to consider. The Toyota Land Cruiser's closest competitors might actually just be other Toyotas. There's the redesigned 2025 Toyota 4Runner, which is similar in size but less expensive, or the larger 3-row Toyota Sequoia. We have done a comprehensive rundown of the 2025 4Runner, so check that out on our channel. And there you have it, folks. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser marks a bold return with its modernized design, powerful hybrid engine, and impressive array of features. Whether you're drawn to its off-road prowess, luxurious interior, or advanced technology, there's no denying the Land Cruiser's versatility and capability. From its efficient fuel economy to its comprehensive safety features and generous warranty coverage, Toyota has packed this SUV with everything you need for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive insights from Auto Trend. Until next time, folks, stay safe on the roads!